because in class, what we are going to do, we are going to do some activities, and I want each and every student, please be focused. Be focused. Okay. So very simple question that I'm going to ask you from the morning scenario when you wake up in the morning. So when you wake up, do you see yourself in the looking mirror? Yes. Do you see yourself? शीशे पे देखते हो सुबह उठने में? अपने आप को हैंड रेस करो. कौन कौन अपनी शक्ल देख के आता है सुबह? Everyone? That's really good. That's really good. अब मुझे बताओ, जब आप अपने आप को देखते हो, कभी छोटे बड़े ऐसा कुछ दिखता है या सेम साइज का दिखता है? डू यू लुक सेम और डिफरेंट? ऐसा तो नहीं है मोटे पतले लंबे बड़े छोटे, ऐसा कुछ दिखता है और सेम दिखते हो? डू यू लुक सेम? से यस, if you agree with me, say yes. Yes, that is good. So let's see, जो आप कह रहे हो क्या वो सच में होता है या डिफरेंट है? So here I have this looking mirror. ठीक है, ये मेरे पास looking mirror है. And here what I'm going to show you, very simple thing that I'm going to show you. सबने Avengers देखा हुआ है? सबको पता है Avengers क्या है? सब सोच रहे होंगे मैम मूवी तो नहीं बताने वाली है ना, कोई करेक्टर तो नहीं पूछने वाली. चलो मुझे बता दो, रेड ड्रेस में कौन होता है? Who wears red dress? रेड ड्रेस कौन पहनता है इन अवेंजर? गर्ल बताइए, कोई गर्ल. आई वांट गर्ल. आधे आ जाओ आर्यभट्टा से. आधे इज देयर? यस बेटा, यू टेल मी, रेड कलर की ड्रेस कौन पहनता है? हु वेयर रेड कलर ड्रेस इन अवेंजर्स? यस. टर्न ऑन योर माइक. अपना माइक ऑन करो. ओके, मैं बैक से उसे दिखाती हूँ. सो यू कैन सी दिस इज द करेक्टर दैट आई एम टॉकिंग राइट नाउ. सो कैन यू टेल मी द नेम?
Spider-Man.
Yes, Spider-Man also. In Spider-Man, he has blue color also. Yes, blue color also. So shall I turn it? Shall I? Okay, I can see many wants to answer right now. Yes, if light से आ जाओ, first bench, green t-shirt boy आ जाओ. Yes, who is he? अभी तक मैंने देखो इसको सीधा नहीं किया. I want you to answer.
I'm Iron Man.
Yes, this is the Iron Man. Okay, so it's Iron Man. ठीक है. अब इस आयरन मैन की हम शक्ल देखते हैं. सो लेट्स सी हिम. ठीक है, हम इसको देखेंगे और ये देखेंगे. अभी देखो आपको शीशे में अभी आप दिख रहे हो. लेट मी शो यू योरसेल्फ. ठीक है, मैं आपको आपको दिखाती हूँ. सो यू कैन सी योरसेल्फ आल्सो. कैन यू सी? यू आर हियर इन द मिरर. चलो वापस आते हैं बैक. सो हियर यू कैन सी दिस इज आयरन मैन. सो लेट मी जूम इट. ओके, सो लेट मी जूम इट सो यू कैन क्लियरली सी व्हाट आई वांट टू शो यू. ठीक है. सो yes, okay, so now here it's mirror. Okay, it's mirror. Now here you can see beta, this is Iron Man as you told me. ठीक है, ये आयरन मैन है मेरे पास. यहाँ पर आप देख सकते हो, दिस इज द आयरन मैन. ओके, अब ये जो आयरन मैन है ये रहा. What I am going to do, I am going to raise his hand. तो कौन सा हैंड इसने अभी रेज किया है? Which hand is raised? Right or left? Is it right hand or left hand? Yes, which hand is raised? Which hand is raised?
I'm a writer.
Yes, right hand. अब इसको जरा मिरर में देखते हैं. मिरर में राइट हैंड ही है या ये कुछ और दिख रहा है? यस, सेम साइड है. इज इट द सेम साइड? देखो जरा, इज इट द
I'm
सेम?
left hand.
लेफ्ट होगी. अच्छा चलो सही है. अब आपने एक और चीज देखी होगी. यू मस्ट हैव नोटिस्ड इन द एम्बुलेंस, है ना? एम्बुलेंस सभी ने देखी है और उसमें जो है एम्बुलेंस उल्टा लिखा होता है ना? सो लेट्स सी, यहाँ पर सबको दिख रहा है क्या लिखा हुआ है? व्हाट इज रिटन हियर? सब ध्यान से देखो. व्हाट इज रिटन हियर? योर स्कूल नेम. यस, इज दिस योर स्कूल नेम? यस. अब इसको इसमें देखो मिरर में, क्या ये वैसी नजर आ रहा है? इज इट द सेम और डिफरेंट? डज इट लुक सेम और डिफरेंट? ये देखो जी तो कुछ और ही लग रहा है. यस, एस इज ऑल्सो लुकिंग डिफरेंट. अगेन मैंने तो सही लिखा था. इट इज रिटन राइट. but here in the mirror it looks different, isn't it? अलग दिख रहा है, सेम नहीं दिख रहा. इसको क्या कहते हैं बेटा? कैन एनी वन ऑफ यू टेल मी व्हाट डू वी कॉल इट? यस, फॉर्मेट से आ जाओ, मिडल रो एंड थर्ड लास्ट बेंच. यस गर्ल, आ जाओ बेटा फास्ट. दैट्स राइट, गुड बेटा.
Ma'am, it's known as literal inversion.
Yes, everyone note down left to right shifting. Okay,
सही हो. नहीं बोला तुम्हारा.
it is lateral inversion. It is left to right or right to left position shifting. Okay, तो इसमें हमारी shifting हो जाती है. अगर अब मैं यहाँ पर इसकी बात करूं, this is the Iron Man that you have seen. अगर मैं कहूँ इसका जो साइज था या इसके हम पोजीशन ले, ठीक है, दिस इज द पोजीशन. यहाँ पर मैं इसको खड़ा करती हूँ, बाद में कर सकते हैं इसमें. तो इसके अगर मैं करूँ, हाँ, सो नाउ हियर यू कैन सी. देखो मैंने इसको यहाँ स्टैंड किया है, ही इज स्टैंडिंग हियर. और अगर मैं मिरर में करूँ, इफ यू नोटिस हियर, लेट मी शो यू. सो देखो, क्या ये सेम पोजीशन पे है और इज इट इन डिफरेंट पोजीशन? सेम पोजीशन और डिफरेंट. जहां ये पीछे अगर मैं देखो मिरर के साथ लगा देती हूँ. ओके, सो देखो यहाँ पर ये एंड में खड़ा है, क्या ये एंड पे ही है या आगे आ गया है? सी, सेम पोजीशन और डिफरेंट. इफ इट्स सेम, से इट लाइक दिस. इफ इट्स सेम, यस इट्स सेम. तो इसका मतलब जो ये खड़ा है, जहां इसकी जो, अगर हम लेंथ की बात, डिस्टेंस की बात करें, इमेज का डिस्टेंस और ओके ऑब्जेक्ट का डिस्टेंस. सो लेट्स सी, अगर हम कहें दिस इज द मिरर, okay, if this is the mirror and this is the object, okay, this is the object, ये object है. The distance between mirror and object, let's take it L, ठीक है, and the distance between this image, that is let's take it L dash. इसको L dash या L2 whatever you want to take, जो भी आपको सही लगता है आप ले लो, ठीक है. अगर इसके बीच में 5 सेंटीमीटर का डिफरेंस है, इमेज, ये इमेज है, ठीक है, दिस इज इमेज, और ये मिरर है, दिस इज प्लेन मिरर. ओके, इट्स अ प्लेन मिरर. द डिस्टेंस बिटवीन इमेज एंड मिरर इज 5 सेंटीमीटर एंड द डिस्टेंस बिटवीन ऑब्जेक्ट एंड मिरर इज ऑल्सो 5 सेंटीमीटर. ठीक है, सो फ्रॉम दिस व्हाट वी कंक्लूड, द इमेज डिस्टेंस, ओके, with respect to mirror and object distance with respect to mirror is always same. So we can say distance of object, everyone note down beta, object from mirror, okay, from mirror is equal to, okay, is equal to distance of image from मिरर. तो दोनों का शीशे से जो डिस्टेंस है सेम है, इमेज का और ऑब्जेक्ट का. इफ आई आस्क, अगर मैं अब आपको कहूं कि आपने डिस्टेंस किसका निकालना है, यू हैव टू फाइंड आउट द डिस्टेंस बिटवीन ऑब्जेक्ट एंड इमेज. ऑब्जेक्ट और इमेज में कितना डिस्टेंस है, सो व्हाट यू नीड टू डू, ये जो हमारे पास 5 सेंटीमीटर है, यहाँ पर 5 सेंटीमीटर है, मीन्स ऑब्जेक्ट का डिस्टेंस मिरर से, इमेज का डिस्टेंस मिरर से, उसको प्लस कर दोगे, देन यू कैन फाइंड द डिस्टेंस बिटवीन ऑब्जेक्ट एंड मिरर. तो लेट्स टेक एन एग्जांपल. ठीक है, एक एग्जांपल लेते हैं. ठीक है, सो इन दिस एग्जांपल व्हाट आई एम गोइंग टू गिव यू, मैं आपको एक क्वेश्चन पूछूंगी और आपने फटाफट मुझे आंसर देना है. आई नीड आंसर. ठीक है, सो क्वेश्चन इज द डिस्टेंस बिटवीन object, okay, and mirror is 16 centimeter, is 16 centimeter. Now find out the distance between object and image. The distance between object and mirror is 16 centimeter. Now find the distance between object and image. So Archimedes say, the first bench boy, yes beta, turn on the mic and then speak up. अब जिसका वही आंसर आएगा वो हैंड रेज करेगा. डू कंफर्म वेदर यू गॉट द सेम आंसर और नॉट. ठीक है. सो यस बेटा.
32 centimeters from
32
the
सेंटीमीटर.
man.
दैट नाइस. किस चीज का 32 सेंटीमीटर आया? रेज योर हैंड फास्ट. हु गॉट द सेम आंसर? 32 सेंटीमीटर. दैट्स राइट. वंडरफुल. सो कैसे आया? लेट्स फाइंड आउट. ठीक है, इसको एक बार हम फाइंड करते हैं. क्या ये आंसर ऐसे ही आना था? इज इट द राइट और नॉट? ठीक है. तो यू कैन ड्रॉ दिस इमेज. यू कैन ड्रॉ दिस इमेज. ठीक है, इस इमेज को आप ड्रॉ कर सकते हो. ठीक है, इसको थोड़ा सा हम फाइंड कर लेते हैं. ठीक है. सो लेट्स फाइंड इट फर्स्ट. तो ये हमारे पास ऑब्जेक्ट था. दिस इज द ऑब्जेक्ट दैट वी हैव एंड दिस इज द प्लेन मिरर. ओके. नाउ व्हाट वी सेड, हमने क्या कहा? द डिस्टेंस बिटवीन ऑब्जेक्ट एंड मिरर वाज 16 सेंटीमीटर. एज वी नो, इसको अगर हम देखें, इससे हमें पता लगता है द डिस्टेंस बिटवीन ऑब्जेक्ट एंड मिरर इज 16. दैट मीन्स द डिस्टेंस बिटवीन इमेज एंड मिरर वुड बी 16 ओनली. इसका भी 16 ही होगा, सेम होता है. सो हमें क्या निकालना था? डिस्टेंस बिटवीन ऑब्जेक्ट एंड इमेज. सो इट वुड बी 16 plus 16 and it is 32 centimeter. And that's you all are correct. ठीक है. So that's wonderful students. ठीक है. अब आ जाते हैं, जो इमेज है प्लेन मिरर में हमेशा सीधी बनती है. जब आप सुबह अपने आप को देखते हो, ऐसा तो नहीं होता ना उल्टी आ रही है आपके, जो है जहां सर है वहां पर आपको पैर दिखते हो. ऐसा तो नहीं होता ना किसी के साथ. इट इज ऑलवेज सेम, सीधी होती है जैसे अभी हम हैं. ओके. सो इट इज ऑलवेज, अगर हम प्लेन मिरर की बात करें, उसके अगर हम करेक्टर की बात करें, तो बेटा फर्स्ट इमेज क्या है ये आ जाएगा. सेकेंड द साइज, अगर हम इसकी साइज की बात करें, ठीक है, इफ इट इज, we say it is 2 centimeter long, so it is also 2 centimeter long. The size is always same. So size of image is equal to size of object. ठीक है. तो ये आ गया. थर्ड आपने खुद मुझे बताया था, you told me that lateral inversion, that is lateral inversion. ठीक है, ये हो गया. देन इमेज सीधी बनती है तो इसको हम कहते हैं अपराइट. इट इज कॉल्ड अपराइट. ठीक है. एक लास्ट में आ जाता है वर्चुअल. वर्चुअल इमेज. सो लेट्स अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट इज वर्चुअल इमेज. वर्चुअल इमेज क्या होती है? ओके. सो मिरर, आई शो यू. सो दिस इज द मिरर हेयर. इस पे बेटा मेरी अगर शक्ल तुम्हें देख सकते हो. इफ यू नोटिस, इफ यू कैन सी मी, कैन यू सी मी हेयर इन दिस मिरर? See, I'm here in this mirror. In this mirror, I'm not able to touch myself. मेरी जो इमेज है उसको मैं टच नहीं कर सकती. ये शीशा है, इसको टच कर रही हूँ. जो इमेज इसके पीछे बन रही है, आई एम नॉट एबल टू टच इट. ठीक है, आई एम नॉट एबल टू टच इट. ओके. सो दिस इज वर्चुअल इमेज. ठीक है, इट्स अ वर्चुअल इमेज. सो लेट मी शो यू विद द एक्सपेरिमेंट. ओके, मैं एक्सपेरिमेंट करके आपको दिखाती हूँ. So look here carefully, everyone. I want everyone to pay attention. It will be become little dark. थोड़ा dark होएगा क्योंकि I have to show you something. ठीक है, मुझे आपको कुछ दिखाना है. So I show you here. Can you see these things here? Okay. So सबने ध्यान से देखना है. Want everyone to please pay attention. So here what we am going to use. I'll tell you what is this. ठीक है, laterally I will tell you. Don't worry about this. What kind of mirror is this? ठीक है, that I will tell you. So firstly see the image of candle here. Can you see the image of candle here? See, it's on the mirror. It's on the mirror. I cannot touch it. See, it's not forming on my. देखो मैं हाथ इसके ऊपर इमेज के ऊपर रख रही हूँ. It's not forming on my hand. मेरी हाथ पे इमेज नहीं बन रही. It's not forming on my hand. It's because it's virtual. ये virtual है, असली की नहीं है. अब what I'm going to do, मेरे पास ये स्क्रीन है, white screen, and this is okay. This is candle I have. ध्यान से देखना everyone. I want everyone to pay attention. Can you see the image of this candle flame here? ये दिख रही है किसी को? कैंडल की ओके आई डू वन थिंग, इसको थोड़ा दूर लेके जाती. Again I am going to show you. कैन यू सी? अब मैंने थोड़ा इसको टेढ़ा किया है. जस्ट अ मिनट बेटा. ये देखो, ये दिख रहा है मूव करते हुए. देखो अब नीचे की तरफ देखना व्हाइट स्क्रीन में. कैन यू सी समथिंग इज मूविंग एज आई एम मूविंग? कैन यू सी दैट स्मॉल डॉट लाइक स्ट्रक्चर? ये देखो अभी एकदम सीधी दिख रही है. नाउ यू कैन सी इट्स हेयर. ये देखो यहाँ बन रही है. कैन यू सी? एंड इट्स इन्वर्टेड, उल्टी है. और मैं अपना हाथ अगर इस पे लेके जाऊं सो यहाँ पर वेट अ मिनट. यस, सो इट इज फॉर्मिंग ऑन माय हैंड आल्सो. इफ यू नोटिस अभी इसकी इमेज थोड़ी इट्स नॉट सो क्लियर. सो इट विल फॉर्म ऑन माय फिंगर्स. लेट मी शो यू. वेट बेटा. It's I can say, but to show you prominently, I need to be more focused. ये देखो, ये can you see now? ये देखो उल्टी. Can you see on the screen जहाँ फ्लेम असली में है उसी के जस्ट पीछे देखो बेटा उल्टी बन रही है. ये देखो, ये मैं इसको मूव भी कर रही हूँ. आई एम मूविंग इट हियर एंड देयर. इफ यू कैन सी उल्टी बन रही है. देखो मैं इसको हिला रही हूँ. स्क्रीन पे देखो व्हाइट स्क्रीन. ये देखो इट्स मूविंग हियर एंड देयर. जो कैंडल की फ्लेम है वो देखो कहाँ बन रही है? व्हाइट पेपर स्क्रीन पे बन रही है. इट्स फॉर्मिंग ऑन द स्क्रीन नॉट ऑन द मिरर. और उल्टी है, इट्स इन्वर्टेड. सो इट इज रियल इमेज. और ये मेरे हाथ पे भी बन सकती है. इट कैन फॉर्म ऑन माय हैंड. ये देखो, कैन यू सी इट्स फॉर्मिंग? सी आई एम मूविंग इट एंड इट्स फॉर्मिंग ऑन माय हैंड्स आल्सो. सो दिस इज द इमेज दैट वी कैन टच आल्सो. ठीक है, इस इमेज को हम टच भी कर सकते हैं और उसको देख भी सकते हैं. ठीक है, जबकि व्हाट वी नोटिस इन वर्चुअल वी कैन नॉट टच इट. So this is the difference between real image. Real image can be touched. So everyone please pay attention and write down this. So this can be touched. Real image can be touched and form on the screen. While virtual image cannot form on the screen. जैसे शीशे पे बनती है on the mirror. Okay, so that's the difference. I hope it is clear to everyone. Is it clear? अब हमारे पास मिरर के बाद, प्लेन मिरर के बाद आते हैं ऐसे स्फेरिकल मिरर्स. Okay, these are the spherical mirrors that we have. तो इस spherical mirror जिसको लेके मैंने आपको real image दिखाई, note down it's a concave mirror. It's only concave mirror that forms real image. ठीक है, concave mirror ही जो है real image बनाता है. और concave mirror कैसा होता है? ऐसे अगर अपने हाथ को करो, everyone do like this. Yes, everyone ऐसे करो अपने हाथ को अंदर की तरफ ऐसे फोल्ड. सांप बनाते हैं ना, सांप है ना. सांप तो सबको आता होगा बनाने, है ना. डू इट लाइक दिस. ठीक है, अब ये जो अंदर की साइड है, केव जहां बन रही है, गुफा बन रही है, केव, इट्स अ कॉनकेव मिरर. और ये जो आउटर साइड है इट्स ए कॉन्वेक्स मिरर. इट्स कॉनकेव केव, दिस इज कॉन्वेक्स मिरर. ठीक है, रिमेंबर केव कहां बन रही है, गुफा कहां बन रही है? अंदर वाली साइड. तो यहाँ पर हमारा कॉनकेव है और यहाँ हमारा कॉन्वेक्स है. ठीक है, नाउ बोथ मिरर्स आर डिफरेंट. ठीक है, both mirrors are different from each other. And also if we study about their properties, तो अगर इसको नोट डाउन करो, एवरीवन नोट डाउन, दिस इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टेबल, नोट डाउन फास्ट. So here we have three different types of mirror: plane mirror, concave and convex. We already learned about plane mirror. Okay, in plane mirror virtual image that we can see where, कहाँ देखने को मिलेगी? Yes, कोई कौन बताएगा? Who can tell me? This image plane mirror में हमें कहाँ देखने को मिलेगी? Do you use plane mirror? Do you use? Yes, yes. So you use plane mirror. ठीक है, looking mirror is plane mirror. So image form is upright and the size of object is equal to the size of image that is formed on the mirror. ठीक है, coming to concave mirror. As I have shown you, ठीक है, here this is the concave mirror. The image that was formed was what? Real. We were able to touch it and it was formed on the screen. ठीक है, so real image, ठीक है, but it forms when object is close to the mirror. Okay, then it was inverted as I have shown you. Yes beta, it was inverted or not? Yes, flame is inverted. Yes, that's good. So okay, so here it can be enlarged at certain points. ठीक है, so that is what you have to note it down. And for the convex mirror, this is convex mirror. Okay, so in convex mirror, just you have to remember this. Write down with a star like this, Dev. Okay, Dev.
Excuse me.
Yes, beta.
Ma'am, in real and virtual image, you have wrote very, but not written close after that.
Yes, beta. Repeat.
The object is very close to the mirror.
Yes, very good observation. That's really nice. Yes. Thanks for correcting me. That's good, beta. So yes. So here to remember the image, nature of the image. ठीक है, formed by convex mirror. Remember this. Dev. D for diminish, E for upright, sorry, erect, and B for virtual. So convex mirror always form this type of image. Dev. Note down this. ठीक है? This is the nature of image formed by convex mirror. Okay? So now, what I'm going to show you here, this thing.
Hello. Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, in Aryabhata. Yes, beta.
Ma'am, you are showing lenses instead of mirrors.
Yes, beta. No, I have lenses also, but I'm not coming to that. These are lenses.
Ma'am, you are showing lenses only, not showing mirrors.
Beta, I am showing lenses, not. I'm sorry. I was showing only mirrors, concave mirror, and this is the lens. Right now I have. Okay. That's why I have mentioned it was concave mirror. Okay, concave mirror forms real image, not lens. Okay, pay attention to the words. So now let's go back. So firstly, everyone note down this table. Then we will discuss this in next class. Okay, everyone note down this. Okay, so note down this. And after this, your English class is going to start. Okay, so everybody has a worksheet. Just take 1 minute to just see what it is. Now, basically, this is synonyms, okay? So first you see the pronunciation of synonyms because I have observed very commonly people say synonyms, which is absolutely wrong pronunciation. It is synonyms, okay? So it is synonyms, and what are they? They are words with identical or nearly identical meaning. Okay, so no two words have exactly same meaning, but they can be interchanged. Okay, they can be interchanged. They can be used for in place of each other. Okay, so this is today what we are going to do. We are going to learn about synonyms. Okay, and how we can use them.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, okay.
Ma'am, we got worksheets.
You got very good. That's perfect. Okay. So we have synonyms. Okay. Now see here, you see the purpose of synonym. What is the purpose of synonyms? It has to give you a better word choice. Okay, because you cannot go on using just one word. You need a couple of words for everything with similar meaning. Okay, and they are synonyms, so you can use those words in place of the word given. Okay, so they are, you have to improve your word choice, and that is why we use them. And it also brings about more clarity. Okay, it will give you more clarity about the language and how words are used. Okay, if I say very simple one word, beautiful. Okay, can anyone tell me another word which I can use for beautiful? Yes, Archimedes, first bench, come forward and tell me. And gorgeous. Very good, gorgeous. Okay. And pay attention to how I say it is not gorgeous, it will be gorgeous. Okay, gorgeous. So it is, that's again a very common mistake which everybody makes. We say yes, but when E and O are together, we will just use the sound of one vowel. Okay. So this is for everyone. And this is how you will become better speakers. When you will change your pronunciation, when you will learn more words, you will start using them in your everyday conversations. Okay, whenever you're conversing, whenever you're talking, you will try to use different words. Okay, so first is, here we are, there are three types of synonyms: absolute, partial, and near synonyms. Like absolute are like, completely exactly the same meaning. Then there are partial. Yeah, they're close in meaning, but they can be used. And one is near synonyms, very near. So these are the three synonyms. Now here are the examples. First, strong. If I say he's very strong, because strong is a very common word. You can say powerful. Okay, but powerful can also be used for different reasons, and strong can also be used for different reasons. So strong and powerful are synonyms. Second is happy. Happy and joyful. Okay, someone is very happy, he's joyful, he's very joyful. Okay, he's very happy. We can also use cheerful, like, today he's very cheerful. Next, quick. He's very quick in his work, he's very fast in his work. Okay, and we have many more words which you will now give it to me. Smart. He's smart, he's intelligent. Okay, this child is very intelligent, he's very smart. Next is beautiful. Somebody is very beautiful, somebody is very attractive, and this boy from Archimedes, he just gave one more, gorgeous. Okay, and there is another word called ravishing. Okay, good looking. See how many words we can use. Then ran. Somebody who runs, like runs, it is sprinted. Sprint. Okay, not sprinted, it's sprint. Sprin. So sprinted. He sprinted, like ran very fast. Okay, so these kind of words are there. So here, now you have a list of words and you have to give only two. Okay, you have to give two synonyms of all the words in bold font. Bold font is here, like, I know in printing it did not become the bold, it stayed the normal, but bold is when it becomes a darker. So here we have beautiful, and you can write two synonyms for it. So one, he said gorgeous. One, he said, one I have already given here, so let us not write that. But for the beautiful, if we can write, like, another day, like charming, stunning. Okay, so for beautiful, You can write charming. He or she is very any charming. You can write attractive. You can write pretty. You can write lovely. Okay, you can write pretty. It's not necessary. If you want to write three, you can write three also. Okay, so here we are. Now the next word is ran. One word which is already given there is printed. Okay, ran. So printed is already given there. Anyone who will tell me a synonym for ran? Running. One is printed. What can be the other one? Anyone who would like to give me a word? और कौन से words use होते हैं? He ran, yes. Archimedes first bench, yes. Come and tell. Opposite of opposite word of. No, I want synonyms. Okay, so you can like see ran. We also write bolt, bolted. Okay, बहुत तेज भागते हैं तो उसको bolt बोलते हैं, bolted. Okay, we also write raised, race, dash. Okay, these are all words which are used for ran. He bolted. He raced. Okay, he raced to school. Dashed. He dashed from there. Okay, so these are all words. Okay, now see ran can also be something else. कि वो भाग गया वहां से. Okay, जैसे चोर भाग गया. The thief ran away. So it will be abscond. It will be abscond. Okay, he absconded. Escape. It can be escape. जैसे हम बोलते हैं ना चोर भाग गया या वो वहां से भाग गया, like so escape, he escaped from there. So they are two different. This is actual running. These three words is actual, like the process, like the when you are running, and this is when somebody is trying to catch you and you just run away. You absconded, you escaped. Okay, you fled from there. Fled also is a word. Flee. Okay, he fled. Okay, so you flee. जो चोर वहां से भागे, like यहाँ कोई accident हुआ, the like person there, he ran away from there, the one who was responsible for the accident, he fled before the police came, he escaped before the police came. So something like that. Okay, now third one is, which is the word angry. Can anyone tell me a word for angry? I am very angry. Okay, very good. Euler House, middle row, first bench, both the girls come out. And after these two girls go, Archimedes, first bench, both the boys can come. Okay, middle row. After these two girls go. Yes, angry. Which is another word for angry? I can't hear you, Vijay. What? I can't understand what you're saying. Can we? Sorry, but I am like your voice cracks and I'm unable to catch the word. I'm aggressive.
Furious.
Very good. Furious is a word. Very good. Sorry, Bacha, I could not understand the word.
Mad.
Mad. Yes, I was mad. Okay. So furious, mad. Okay. See, very good. Angry में furious, mad, annoyed. You can write annoyed, 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 irritated. Okay, so you can write these words. Irritated. He irritates me. He irritates me. He makes me mad. I'm furious. Like, all these words. The next one is mean. Now, what do you mean by mean? Mean is like, he is mean to me. He's mean to me. Mean when somebody is mean to you. Okay, Archimedes, middle row, first bench. Both the boys are again raising, and same goes for the Euler house. Euler house, you have to fix your mic, I think so. Okay, first you let them speak, then you come. Mean.
Ma'am, known.
Could you repeat?
Ma'am, known. KNOW, ma'am, known.
No, no, no. Known would not be. Known will be something you know. Okay? Someone
Ma'am,
you know. And mean is like you are being mean to me. I'll just give you one example. Like you are being rude to me. Mean, she was mean to me. That means she was rude to me. Okay? So when you're rude, what other words can you use in this context? She was rude to me, mean to me. Yes. I could see, yes, Euler house, middle row, last bench. Come out. Last bench, two girls in green t-shirts. Yes, you can come and tell me the words.
ma'am, meaningful.
What? Could you repeat?
Ma'am, meaningful.
Again, I don't know. Like, you can write cruel. Yes. Cruel. You know the word cruel? Nasty. Okay, these are the words like mean. Stop being a mean person. Don't be a mean person. Don't be a meanie.
Ma'am, rough.
Yes.
Ma'am, rough.
But yeah, I don't know. Somehow I am unable to catch your words because teach me up.
Ma'am, rough.
One more time.
Ma'am, rough. 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 Rough.
Okay, if so many people will talk together. Okay, okay. But sorry, I was unable to catch your word. Nasty, cruel, spiteful, spiteful. Okay. Now we have done these four. If you turn over your worksheet, just turn over the back side. Just turn over, and here you have rewrite the sentences. Whichever sentences are already given to you, you have to choose some nice words from here and write them. Like, it is underlined. It was a beautiful day, so we ran to the park. Beautiful and ran are underlined. Now choose the absolute right words. It was can it be a charming day? Do you say charming day? No. Okay. Charming people are charming. Manners are charming. Do you say a pretty day? No. But do you say a lovely day? Yes. So what will you replace? I'm just giving you one example. So what will you replace beautiful with? It was a lovely day. It was a lovely day, so we ran. अब ran में abscond तो नहीं आएगा because this is for people who run away from law. चोरों के लिए होता है, okay? Or criminals. These all are for criminals, okay? Or people who are on the wrong side of law. So we can write, so we bolted, we raced, we dashed. Any word can be used. Okay? But according to me, this would be the best. But all three can be used. It was a lovely day. So we bolted or we raced to the park or we dashed to the park. Raced, dashed. Okay? You can write any. Now see, in wait a minute. In second sentence, angry is underlined because the underline has the thing has become very light. So I was angry. Angry ko underline karo or mean ko underline karo. Okay, these two words. So angry and mean. Now, what are you going to replace it with? We have done here so many synonyms. What are you going? I was angry at my friend. You can write both. Angry at my friend, angry with my friend. Because she was mean to me. Because she was mean to me. Why was she angry? Because she was mean to me. So angry can be replaced by. अब आपने देखना है कि वहां पे at लिखा हुआ है, so you will try to fit the word which will also go with at. I was blank at my friend. I can see the same hands raised. I want more people. Anyone from Euclid's? Euclid's middle row, second bench, boy in yellow t-shirt. Can you tell me? I was. But you will all have to try, otherwise it will become a difficult thing. These things are so easy. Format, yes, middle row, red t-shirt, girl. She's raised her hand. You can come out and tell. I was
irritated at my friend.
You are. It is like normally you get irritated with my friend. So, yeah, but we can use it. But most appropriately, I was furious. Actually, furious also, annoyed with my friend, mad at my friend, mad at my friend. Okay? So, this is also right. This is also right. This is not wrong. Okay? But only thing is, you'll have to make a small change. At की जगह with करना पड़ेगा. Irritated at my friend, with my friend. Okay. Then here you can write because she was mean to me. You can write rude to me. She was nasty to me. She was spiteful. She was cruel to me. Okay. Cruel with आएगा. So you can write these two are best options. Rude and nasty. Rude and nasty. Okay. Now, rest all you will do yourself. I will only write down these words and the rest 6 you will do. In the third one, you will underline like and peaceful because it's very light. So, like and peaceful. In fourth, crying loudly. Only one is there. Crying loudly together. It's like a phrase. In the fifth, you have hungry and yummy. In sixth, you have playing and long, playing and long. In seventh, it is excited and new. And in eighth, it is speaking and important. Speaking and important. So now, have you noted down all these words? Can I erase this? Should I erase this? Give me a nod that if I should erase it. If you have copied down, or I'll give you one more minute, and then because I want to write down the next 4 words, okay? So should I erase it? Has everyone copied down? Please come and tell me yes, one of you. Copied down? Yes? Done? Euclid house? Why is there so much movement in the class? Why is everyone? Is it a park you're sitting in? Walking in a garden? Everybody is strolling around. And you're paying no attention to what I'm saying or what is happening here. And next 2 sentences are going to come from Euclid. Be prepared. Here. So here we are. I'm going to erase this. And then I'm going to write down the other next 2 words. And this is for you to copy down. Okay, the next word is like. Now, like can be 2 different things. Something is similar. He is like me, similar to me. But there is like when you're fond of something. So, which word can be put here? Like. I like ice cream. I like ice cream. I like to watch movies. I like cricket. Okay, you like. And this like is being used here. So which are the words which you can use? Like के साथ क्या हो जाता है और दूसरा word? Love. Enjoy. Delight. I delight in. Okay. So these are the words you can use. Like, I love watching movies. I love cricket. Don't you say common everyday phrases? Okay. So that is what you have to use. Next is peaceful. What could be another word used for peaceful? Something which is very peaceful. It's very peaceful in the library. तो library में और क्या होता है? In the school library, शोर होता है वहां पे? No. So what can it be? Okay, Euclid. Euclid. Middle row, last bench. Sitting in, yes, that girl in red t-shirt. Yes. What could be peaceful? Another word for peaceful.
Silence.
What? Could you repeat?
Silence.
Very. Silent को हम बोलेंगे silent word नहीं use करेंगे quiet. Quiet. Okay. So when you say quiet, very quiet. Okay. There's another word, serene. It's serene. Sometimes you say it is, look at the serenity. When you go to the Gurdwara Sahib और वहाँ जब पाठ नहीं सिर्फ पाठ हो रहा होता है, there is no Shabad Kirtan going on. It's so serene, like, absolute silence. Something very nice about that silence. Okay. So that is serenity. Okay. So it is serene. Then calm. Something which is very quiet, peaceful, calm. There is a phrase in English, calm and quiet. Calm and quiet. Calm में L जो है, that is silent, so we say calm and quiet. Okay, we don't say calm and quiet. So calm and quiet. Okay. Brahm Gupta, why are you hitting your friend in the head? Are you being mean? Yes, first bench, blue t-shirt. Are you being mean to your friend? Okay, so we have these two words and you will now change it into that sentence which is given at the back. Okay, please go and see. Change it. And I'm sure you people have to learn to use these words. Otherwise, iska koi fayda nahi hoga. Okay, you also have to use these words. Class mein karke, oh my God. In Brahmagupta house, why are you sitting on the floor, beta? What happened? You fell down? What happened, bache? Okay, next. Crying loudly. Crying. Now we will use this together. We will use this together. Which is another word which can be used for crying loudly. Okay, Archimedes on my left, yellow t-shirt. Second last bench, come out. You raise your hand. Very nice. Very nice. Another word for crying loudly. I'm sure you people have come across a lot of words.
Ma'am, emotional or sad.
Emotional outburst. Yes, that can be. So it can. Now see, one word for crying loudly is wailing. Wailing. Okay. Another word for this is screaming. She was screaming at the top of her voice, like, screaming. Then you have howling. Howling. Normally wolves howl. So wailing, screaming, howling. Please, everyone. Okay. Use these, out of these three words you can use, and you should know now, like, wailing and screaming, at least 2-3 words to aur yaad rakho. Okay. Like she was howling. When you say she was howling, it immediately tells us that she was crying very loudly. Howling. Jor jor se. Even bawling. Okay. Bawling. Bawling. Okay. Bawling. Bawling is also a word which is used. Let me make it more clear. Okay, even this is a word, bawling, wailing. Wailing is very like जोर जोर से चिल्ला चिल्ला के रोना is all this. Very nice. Okay. So now you have 2 sentences. You can make those 2 sentences. The next word is hungry and yummy. Hungry. Hungry. Yummy के लिए और कौन सा वर्ड जो एक हम रोज यूज करते हैं? This word we use. कैसा था खाना? Very. Okay. Okay. Archimedes, to my left, yellow t-shirt. Who's standing? Yes. For yummy, you can write the food was very. The food was very
starving.
हम सारा टाइम ये वर्ड यूज करते हैं टेस्टी. The food was very tasty. Yes. Okay. So this is another word for yummy, tasty. एक और word. It starts with D. It starts with D. Okay. Archimedes, middle row. Second bench. That girl in yellow t-shirt. Come out. It starts with D. Big.
Cheers.
Very good. You got it. Okay. Very nice. So it's delicious. And again, I will tell you, don't say delicious. It will be delicious. Okay. It will be delicious. We will never use I, like, we don't say delicious. Yeah. It's very delicious. Yes. Okay. Very, very delicious. Okay. What else can you use for yummy? Okay. Tasty. एक हमारे हिंदी में वर्ड है मुंह में पानी आ गया. तो उसको इंग्लिश में कैसे बोलेंगे? हाउ डू वी से? खाना देखा मुंह में पानी आ गया. ब्रह्मगुप्ता फर्स्ट बेंच रेड टी शर्ट मिडिल रो. मुंह में पानी आ गया इन इंग्लिश व्हाट डू यू से? पानी अगर okay. Anyone from Euclids? But you have to start thinking. Yes. Euclids, yes. That girl in yellow t-shirt who stood up. Come out. It's very easy. मुंह में पानी आ गया. Exact translation है उसकी. मुंह की ट्रांसलेशन क्या है? माउथ एंड पानी की mouth watering. Okay, so you can write down mouth watering.
Ma'am, ma'am, I was telling of hungry.
You were saying hungry?
Ma'am, yes.
अरे hungry तो भूख का. हाँ, okay.
Ma'am, I tell starving of hungry.
Very good. Very good, bache. Very good. Starving. Excellent. You all are so smart. Very good. So it is starving. और कौन सा word आ सकता है hungry के लिए? बहुत भूख लगी है. पेट में दर्द हो रहा है. You are like literally जब बहुत ज्यादा भूख लगी होती है ना, then we say famished. ठीक होगा. Then we say famished. Okay, Famished, famished. Okay. Mished, famished. I am famished. I am starving. And there is one more word like starving and hungry. When you can write very hungry, starving, famished, and what else can you write? Ravenous. Yes. Again, another word, like which is very like you should know for hungry. Ravenous. Ravenous means बहुत ज़्यादा भूख लगी है. I can eat a horse. मतलब इतनी भूख लगी. This is like an idiom. I can eat a horse right now. I'm ravenous. Like so hungry. So hungry. Okay, so now go in at the back and rewrite. Yes, bache. Yes.
Ma'am, what is a phrase for पेट में चूहे कूद रहे हैं?
वैसे तो ऐसे like होगा कि there's mice jumping in my stomach. Okay. So that is a local translation completely. Like, okay. So mice running in my stomach, mice jumping in my stomach, and yes. And one more thing you have to remember is like because they're two different languages, everything cannot be translated in the exact same manner. We do have words, but expression kai baar different hota hai. Okay, so everything cannot be translated, although we do, and sometimes those translations really look funny also. So here are your 1, 2, 3 sentences. Abhi fatafat kar lo, then we will move forward with the other words. And note down these words also. And as I have always told you, please keep these sheets in a folder. Don't throw them away. Uska ball bana ke fake mat dena. Okay? Because they will be useful to you some other time. Kabhi aapka, yeah, sometimes when you simply want that I should look for another words, like, oh, what was that word? I can't remember. You can go back, you can look at it. This is how it's going to help you with your vocab. You have to make some extra effort. A little extra effort. Okay? To learn. Yes, beta. Follow.
Ma'am, saturated.
What?
Ma'am, unsaturated, hungry.
No. Unsaturated nahi. Saturated is like, a word which is like, to the brim. But saturation point, खाने में हम saturation नहीं use करते हैं. Okay? Like abhi cannot use. We will use satisfied. I'm full. You will say I'm full. I'm done. But you will not use the word saturated for food. Okay, मेरा पेट भर गया. Saturated नहीं आप use करोगे. Good you asked. See, this is how you should come up with questions, please. And God's house, you are so quiet today. Why is everybody so quiet in God's? I want to hear some noise from that class also. Some questions. Okay? Some questions. Questions are very important. Please keep asking me questions. I love when children ask me questions. Okay. So if you have finished, once again in Brahmgupta, why are you running here and there? Okay. I hope you people have copied down all these words. Have you copied down all these words? At least the first one, so that I can erase it. Like, Have you copied down, bache? Everyone? Should I erase it? Yes? Okay. I get some signal I need. Okay. Let's go back. And have you completed the sentences? Who will come and tell me? My family like having picnics outside because it is peaceful. Who will come and tell me this sentence? Who will tell me? Okay, Euclid, first bench, green t-shirt. Come on. You have the words. Only thing is you have to replace them. Great. Quick. I think so. Only Archimedes' house is today being very, very, like, even Euclid's. Yes. Okay. Tell me. Come, bache, you come and tell the sentence. My family. My family. My family love having a picnic outside because it's enjoyable. Okay. I could not understand anything. Okay, Archimedes, you can come, the first bench, and you can tell me both the sentences. Both of you can come. Both of you can. One can tell me the third sentence and one can tell me the fourth. My family like having picnics outside because it is peaceful.
My family loves having picnic outside because it is serene.
It is serene. Yes, very good. It is serene. Very good word use. Very good. So my family enjoy. Okay, my family enjoy having picnics outside because it is serene. It is calm. It is quiet. You can add, but serene is a very good word choice. Very nice. Next one, the child was crying loudly because he had fallen over. Very easy. Okay. Euler, you will come for the next one. Okay, middle row, blue t-shirt. Third
He was
message.
screaming because he had fallen over.
Yes, the child was screaming, the child was wailing, the child was like, what can you can bawling, howling, like you can use any of these words. Good, very nice. Now we will go to the next one. We were hungry, so the teacher let us have a yummy snack. We were hungry, so the teacher let us have a yummy snack. Okay. Archimedes, on my left, of second last bench, yes. We were hungry. Okay, come. We were hungry, so the teacher let us have a yummy snack.
So that the teacher let us have tasty snacks.
Very good. We were starving, or we were famished, or we were ravenous, and the teacher let us have a tasty snack, or delicious, or mouth-watering snack. Very good, very good. Okay. So now what you do is the rest of the sentences, okay? You have three more sentences. You can find out, this is your work you have to do. You have to find out the synonyms for these, at least two each. Okay? Or, and then you can replace them. Think about them, replace them. Okay? And don't let go of this worksheet. Keep it in a folder. You might need it some other time, and it can be very handy and useful. Thank you, children. I had a wonderful class. Thanks for participating. It's lovely meeting you people. Okay, see you next week. Have a good day. Bye. Have a good day. Enjoy